shoulder external rotation mini band. The shoulder external rotation with a mini band exercise is intended to strengthen the rotator cuff muscles, especially the external rotation muscles. Stand straight and place a mini band around your forearms just above your wrists, and bend your elbows upward to 90 degrees and hold your upper arms at the sides of your body. Rotate your shoulders outwards so your hands will point to different sides while keeping your elbows close to your body. Slowly bring your hands back to the starting position and repeat.
In red, we can see how the infraspinatus muscle externally rotates the humerus. In pink, we see the posterior deltoid and teres minor that assist in shoulder external rotation. The load on the shoulder rotators varies throughout the movement. When the cable is 90 degrees to the forearm and the forearm is vertical to the body, the load on the muscles is maximal. In other positions, the load is lower. One of the common mistakes is scapular protraction and retraction at the expense of full shoulder rotation. The cause of this mistake is usually compensation for excessive weights or lack of awareness. Be sure to stabilize the scapula and to move only the arm.
Common mistake, shoulder abduction. This exercise is aimed at strengthening the shoulder's external rotator muscles. Abducting the shoulder will lift the load to the deltoid muscle and will not serve the purpose of the exercise. This common mistake can be a result of weak external rotation muscles or a lack of body awareness. To do this exercise correctly, keep your elbows close to your body while externally rotating your shoulders.
Dumbbell sideline shoulder external rotation.
Face pulls with external rotation, cable. This exercise is intended to strengthen the rotator cuff, posterior deltoid, and scapular adductors.
Shoulder external rotation, dumbbell. The shoulder external rotation with a dumbbell is an isolation exercise for strengthening your shoulder external rotation muscles.